Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Health Nutrition, the go-to destination for health and wellness tips. Today, we have an important topic on our plate, quite literally. We'll be exploring the 5 best breakfast foods for kidney health. Whether you're proactively taking care of your kidneys or have specific dietary concerns, the first meal of the day can set the tone for overall well-being. So grab your morning coffee or tea, and let's dive into a kidney-friendly breakfast that not only kickstarts your day, but also supports your renal health journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful content. Now, let's jump into the delicious world of kidney-friendly breakfast options. Coffee. The comforting aroma of coffee in the morning. If you're a coffee enthusiast, here's some good news for your kidney health. While moderation is key, studies suggest that coffee might have potential benefits for the kidneys. The caffeine in coffee has been associated with a lower risk of developing kidney stones and, interestingly, may even provide protection against chronic kidney disease. Coffee's natural antioxidants could play a role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, factors that can contribute to kidney damage over time. Moreover, coffee has diuretic properties, which can promote urine production and help flush out waste products from the body. However, it's essential to strike a balance and be mindful of individual sensitivities. Excessive caffeine intake may lead to dehydration, which is not ideal for kidney health. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional can help tailor your coffee consumption to best suit your overall health and well-being. So, savor that morning cup mindfully and let your love for coffee contribute positively to your kidney health journey. Barley flakes. Let's shift our focus to a wholesome and kidney-friendly breakfast option, barley flakes. Barley is a whole grain that offers a range of health benefits, particularly for those mindful of their kidney health. Barley flakes are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in supporting digestive health and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. For individuals with kidney concerns, incorporating barley flakes into their morning routine provides a nutritious alternative to refined grains. Barley is naturally low in sodium, making it a heart-healthy choice that aligns with recommendations for kidney-friendly diets. Moreover, the soluble fiber in barley may help regulate cholesterol level, an added bonus for cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney function. So by starting your day with a bowl of barley flakes, you not only enjoy a delicious and satisfying breakfast, but also contribute to the well-being of your kidneys. As always, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that your dietary choices align with your specific health needs. Almond milk. Let's explore the creamy and nutritious world of almond milk, a fantastic choice for those looking to prioritize kidney health in their breakfast routine. Almond milk, a plant-based alternative to dairy, is naturally low in phosphorus and potassium, 2 minerals that individuals with kidney issues may need to monitor. It provides a kidney-friendly option for those who may be lactose intolerant or looking to reduce their dairy intake. Almond milk is also rich in heart-healthy, unsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can contribute to overall cardiovascular health, a crucial aspect closely linked to kidney function. The unsweetened varieties are particularly commendable for those watching their sugar intake, a consideration often emphasized in kidney-friendly diets. Incorporating almond milk into your morning routine not only adds a delightful nutty flavor to your cereals or smoothies, but also ensures that you're making a mindful choice in support of your kidneys. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that almond milk aligns with your specific nutritional requirements and overall kidney health goals. Cheers to a nourishing and kidney-friendly breakfast. Flax seeds. Let's turn our attention to the tiny nutritional powerhouses known as flax seeds and explore how incorporating these little seeds into your breakfast can contribute to kidney health. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been associated with various health benefits, including potential positive effects on kidney function. These essential fatty acids may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can impact the kidneys. Additionally, flax seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and can aid in managing blood sugar levels, a significant consideration for individuals with kidney concerns. The lignans found in flax seeds also exhibit antioxidant properties, potentially offering protection against cell damage. Including flax seeds in your morning routine, whether sprinkled on yogurt, added to smoothies, or incorporated into your breakfast cereal, is a simple and tasty way to introduce kidney-friendly nutrients into your diet. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian will ensure that you're making choices that align with your specific dietary needs and contribute positively to your kidney health journey. So go ahead and let these tiny seeds make a big impact on your morning routine and overall well-being. Pineapple. Let's take a tropical twist and explore the juicy goodness of pineapples and how they can play a positive role in promoting kidney health. Pineapples are not only a delicious addition to your breakfast, but also offer a range of health benefits, making them a kidney-friendly fruit choice. Rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, pineapples provide antioxidant support that may help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Furthermore, the bromelain enzyme found in pineapples has anti-inflammatory properties, potentially aiding in the prevention of kidney damage. Pineapples are naturally low in sodium and high in water content, making them a hydrating choice that supports kidney function by contributing to overall fluid balance. Whether enjoyed on their own, added to a fruit salad, or blended into a morning smoothie, incorporating pineapples into your breakfast routine can add a burst of flavor while contributing to your kidney health. As always, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that your dietary choices align with your specific health needs and contribute positively to your overall well-being. Embrace the tropical goodness and let your breakfast be a celebration of both taste and kidney-friendly nutrition.